And it's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back! I went to Trader Joe's today. Oh my goodness, you guys. So, our Trader Joe's opened, I want to say maybe like a year and a half ago. And I gotta say, I am using them more and more. I love the groceries there. They have the most amazing gluten-free cupcakes. They have gluten-free muffins. They have gluten-free cookies. They have the most amazing potato chips. They're called, they're like dark russet, like potato skin potato chips. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Remember the Thanksgiving stuffing ones? Those were absolutely amazing. There's a lot of snack food I like at Trader Joe's, but they also have really good produce. Their flour selection, their milk and cheese, like all of the stuff. I just keep adding Trader Joe's to my shopping list. Not only that, their prices are so good. So they also have a section for like a beauty section. And let me tell you, I'm getting more and more hooked on their beauty stuff. So today I went in there and I found a citrus body wash with vitamin C. This is unique aroma therapeutic blend of orange blossoms and grapefruit. It smells like fresh orange though. It's so interesting. It is, let's see, a blend of sweet orange blossoms, succulent pink grapefruit, herbal extracts of chamomile, ginseng, ginger, and echinacea, along with pure jojoba oil, vitamin B5. I'm going to try this tonight and see what I think, but oh my gosh. This smells so refreshing. It smells, oddly, I don't get a lot of grapefruit. It smells like orange juice, like fresh orange juice. So it looks like a fairly thick formula, 16-ounce bottle. I don't know how much I paid for this. I actually took a picture. I think it was $3.99, you guys, which, yeah, that's a hugely, amazingly good price. Let me see. Oh, they had a lavender chamomile soap. I just got for my daughter the lemongrass moisturizing shampoo. That's actually nice. There's a tea tree tingle body wash shampoo. Oh, there it is. What was this? No way. Was that $2.99? I am seeing like, I don't know if you can see this on my phone. 290, was that 299? Oh my goodness. Oh, Trader Joe's. You know, and it's kind of interesting because I feel like a lot of people are now moving towards Trader Joe's more and more, not only for the price, but you know, because their products are actually really, really good. I also got their lemon verbena triple milled 100% pure vegetable soap. I smelled this one and I just like was like, oh my gosh. It's weird. I want to say, I don't think I have a picture of the price on this one. I want to say the soap was $3.99, but still, $3.99 and $2.99. That's like what? $7 for both of these? Gosh, this smells so good. You know what? I like the little like stamp too. That's one thing I've been saying a lot about the Bath and Body Works bar soap. I like it, but there's just something that's just super high end and fun when they put a stamp in it. I don't know why Bath and Body Works does not stamp their soap. And it's kind of dumb. That it makes you like, oh, it's so pretty. It's like a branding thing, but it's just nice when you have the stamp on there. Oh my God, I can smell this all day. This is really, really refreshing. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. That Brazilian nut product too in the pink that Trader Joe's does usually in the summer, that is so good. So Like I said, I am really, really excited about Trader Joe's. I'm going to start adding them into my reviews. When I see new stuff, I'm going to get it because I've been using it a lot. So, yay for, I'm going to do the thumbs up for Trader Joe's. I'm doing it. I'm doing the fireworks for Trader Joe's. They deserve it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.